Learn how to make viral thumbnails in 3 minutes. Not a graphic artist? No problem, just follow me. If you find this video useful, please subscribe, like, and share the video. Alright? Go to YouTube, type any niche of your choice. Look for viral videos with the highest views, the one you like most. Then screenshot it. Open CapCut, bring in the screenshot. Add it to the timeline, adjust and resize the shot to fit the screen size. You may want to cover this duration, just grab the same background color and cover it. Then open CapCut full screen preview and screenshot it. Now open Leonardo AI. Then bring in the screenshot from CapCut here. Click the left side here to choose model and select GPT image 1. Then choose ratio 3:2 for YouTube long and 2:3 for shorts, depending on the one you are doing. Same process though. Now use this prompt, which I will drop in the comments section, and click generate. The prompt will work across board if you only want to change the foreground picture or main picture and the text. You want to use your own text in place of mine. That model of Leonardo AI is very intelligent. Boom, you have it. Then download it. Come over to CapCut again. Import the image. Add to timeline. Then bring in your photo you want to replace with the existing one. Remove the background, place and adjust it to fit in perfectly. Then open widescreen preview, screenshot it, and boom, your thumbnail is ready. In case the size is bigger, simply reduce the size in Canva for free. Just upload here, open Canva YouTube thumbnail preset, add the photo, click download and make sure it's in PNG. Boom, your viral thumbnail is ready. No paid tool, no subs, that's how I roll. But that's not all. Watch CapCut Beginner to Pro series up here. It will help you a lot in this content making journey.